Hi everyone! In this video we will find the slope of a line from its graph. Find the slope of the line shown. Here we have a line going through a coordinate plane, and the best way to find the slope is to find a point where the line is going through the corners of the grid. This gives us whole numbers that we can work with. It gets a little bit more confusing if we use fractions or partial way because we can't know exactly where it's going through. So here's a point on the graph right here that's in the exact corner, and here's one where it passes through the corner, and another one, and another one. We're seeing a lot of corners, and we can use any of these. We just need to pick two, and I'll show that any two that we pick will give us the exact same slope. Because they're all on the same line, the slope will be the same, and it doesn't matter. We can pick any one, so I'm going to pick this one to this one. So from the first one to the second one, we need to find how far we rise and how far we run. The definition of slope is rise over run. The rise is the change in the y direction, and the run is the change in the x direction, left and right. Going up is positive, going down is negative. Going to the right is positive, and going to the left is negative. And we just have to keep track of where we moved from one point to the next. So from our first point here, we're going to move 1 unit down so that the slope, the rise is down 1. So down is negative, 1 unit is 1. Then we move from this point here on the graph 2 units to the right to get to the next point that's through a corner, making it a whole number. And that was 2 units to the right. To the right is positive, so the slope is negative 1/2. We can use another set of points as well. Let's start down here and we'll work backwards, and let's go to this one here. It doesn't matter, we'll still get the exact same slope. So from this yellow point, we go 1, 2, 3 units up. So the slope is positive 3 for the rise. And then to get from this point here to the next one, we move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units to the left. Left is negative, so it's negative 6. Now we just need to simplify. 3 divided by negative 6 is negative 1/2. So now you can see we can pick any 2 points on this line and we will get the exact same slope as long as we keep track of going up or down for our rise and left or right for our run, and simplify the fraction that we get, and we will always have the exact same slope. And we're all done.